If you need to restore your hosting a website, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a simple, beginner-friendly way. Whether your site needs to go back to a previous version because of a broken update, deleted files, design issues, or accidental changes, restoring a backup can save you a lot of time and stress. And in this guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it safely. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the website section. This is where all of your hosted websites are listed and managed in one place. Go ahead and click websites, then open the dashboard for the website you want to restore. Make sure you choose the correct site, especially if you manage multiple websites from the same account. After that, you'll want to find the Files section. Inside the website dashboard, click Files, and then select Backups. This is where Hostinger stores available backup copies of your website. Depending on your plan and backup history, you may see different backup dates and restore options. Take a moment to review the available backups before moving forward. Now select the website backup you want to use. In most cases, the backup list will show you the available restore points, so you can pick the one that matches the version of your website you want to return to. For example, if something broke after a recent change, choose a backup from before that change was made. This is an important step because restoring the wrong backup could bring back unwanted changes or overwrite content you still need. Next, select the backup date carefully. Look for the date and time that best matches the point in time you want to recover. If your website was working correctly a few days ago, choose the backup from that period. If you're not sure, it's always a good idea to double check the timeline before restoring. The goal is to bring your site back to a stable version without losing more recent important work than necessary. Once you've chosen the correct backup and date, click Restore Website. Hostinger will then prepare the restoration process for your selected site backup. Depending on the size of your website and the amount of data being restored, this may take a little time. During this step, it's best not to refresh the page or interrupt the process, since that could interfere with the restore operation. After that, you'll be asked to confirm the action. This confirmation is important because restoring a backup may replace the current version of your website with the selected older version. Review the prompt carefully, make sure everything looks right, and then confirm the restore. Once it's confirmed, Hostinger will begin restoring the website files and data from the chosen backup. When the restore is finished, give your website a quick check to make sure everything is back the way you expected. Open the site in your browser and test the pages, images, links, and any features that were affected. If the site looks good, then the restore was successful. If you still notice an issue, you may need to try a different backup date or check whether the problem is coming from something outside the backup, like plugins, scripts, or external settings. And that's it. You've now learned how to restore a Hostinger website using the built-in backup tools. This is one of the most useful things you can do when something goes wrong because it gives you a fast way to recover your site without starting over from scratch. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.